Come on.
I don't know if that's Zeke or not.
Come on now.
That's Snaggle.
Come on, let mommy pet you. Come on.
He's like, nope.
Are you on a weight restriction of how much you could pick up, Mom? Because they'll weigh a ton. Oh my gosh, here
Yeah,
comes
that's
our...
Snaggletooth.
There you go, Snagglepuss.
Oh, hi there, baby.
Oh my God.
Hi.
Mommy's home. Kitty, kitty, kitty.
Zeke. Hi, mommy's little Zekey boy.
Oh,
Hi.
is it?
Oh. Hi, Mary. Hi, Daddy.
They're hiding
Mary,
everywhere.
Daddy. Come on.
That one's like, I'm watching
Come
you
on.
people. I don't know what this is.
Oh, you grandmommy's home, huh? Oh, you grandmommy's home.
That looks like a gray one. He looks kind of evil.
There's a pile of them over
Did you
here.
get a couple timeouts, huh? Did you get a couple of timeouts?
You walk behind, yeah. Just watch the electric cord.
Yeah, I told her, I says, you being bad. I says, you need time out. Yeah. Yeah, that's what I told her.
Jean, do you still have the one that you said's kind of evil?
Huh?
Do you still have the one that you said's a little evil?
Yeah.
What color is it? The rowdy one.
This was the one's been
There's another
doing
one here.
stuff.
Gray
Oh.
line.
She's got a gray one.
There's two of them back here.
Yeah, there's a gray one.
Mary, Daddy,
There's a gray one under the dresser in there.
Mary and Betty.
Mary, Daddy.
Come on, kitty kitties. Your mommy's home. You're her crawling on the floor.
Guys, mommy's home.
Crawling for she wants.
Talk about physical therapy, huh?
Yeah.
I know. See mommy. Come on, mommy ain't seen you
Oh,
guys
look at
in a
that
month.
orange one in there is the hallway.
There's two. There's sunshine and